Hey everyone. Well, here's a scooter. It's got its engine back in. Finally. It ain't completely put back together yet. You know, still getting more work done to it. You know, it has the nose taken off because it needs a new headlight assembly. You know what I mean? But the airbox is back on and everything. Yep. But yeah, motor's all stuffed back up in there. Haven't put the back wheel back on. Haven't put the cover back on. But let me show you guys how it runs. Well, yep, runs like brand new. Just it starts up like a dream. Hit the button once. It's got really low miles. Anybody want to buy it, let me know. The owner of this bike is actually looking to sell it. You know what I mean? It has a totally rebuilt engine now. But that's all, guys. Talk to you later. Peace.